Swiss lawmakers have called for increased regulation of the financial sector following an investigation into the collapse of Credit Suisse, highlighting flaws in the country's authorities while largely attributing the bank's downfall to mismanagement by its executives. In a comprehensive 569-page report released on December 20, lawmakers criticized Swiss bureaucracy for its lack of accountability, accusing regulators of being secretive and distrustful. They also faulted the authorities for their disorganized response to the crisis that led to Credit Suisse's collapse in March 2023. UBS, Credit Suisse's main competitor, stepped in to acquire the troubled bank in a government-backed rescue at a fraction of its original value. In June 2023, the Swiss parliament established a committee to investigate the official response to the Credit Suisse crisis. Private interviews were conducted with key individuals involved. The government has stated that it will use the findings to guide future reforms in the banking sector. The committee believes that Credit Suisse's long-standing mismanagement was the root cause of the crisis, the report's opening statement reads, translated from German. The committee, known as PUK, meticulously documented the chaotic final days of Credit Suisse and criticized the lack of transparency during crisis meetings between officials from the finance ministry, the central bank, and the market regulator, FINMA. It recommended that written records be kept for future meetings. However, the PUK does not identify any direct misconduct by the authorities in the Credit Suisse crisis and acknowledges that they successfully prevented a global financial disaster, the report stated. The fall of Credit Suisse, a 167-year-old financial giant and Switzerland's second-largest bank, left the country with only one major international bank, UBS, which now holds assets larger than the entire Swiss economy. In April, the government outlined plans to ensure that UBS does not suffer the same fate as Credit Suisse, focusing primarily on requiring the bank to hold more capital. However, it stated that further details would not be revealed until after the PUK report was published. While the committee's conclusions did not provide specific recommendations for reforming the banking sector, its 30 recommendations closely aligned with the government's earlier proposals.